Yeah.
We're really glad to have you.
Thank you. So Nina Weinheimer. Oh, is that okay? I'm quite sure. So okay. I'm Nina Weinheimer from the University of Stuttgart, and I'm glad to talk about our paper, Green Building and Lean Management, Synergies and Conflicts. And I did it together with my colleague Sarina Schmalz and Daniela Müller, who is a former master's student. Let me first talk about the background. Just have to do a quick no. Oh, that was too far. Okay. So in the future, the implementation of sustainable building concepts will gain more importance. The construction industry needs to improve resource efficiency, productivity, waste reduction, and customer value. The aim of this work is to present approaches considering the contribution of lean methods in the context of real estate sustainability. To mention some sustainable aspects identified by Bordeaux: energy efficiency, recyclability, non-toxic materials, long useful lives, and use of local resources. In addition to new and more efficient technologies, emissions and waste generation, as well as energy and resource consumption, should be minimized without compromising comfort and living standards. Lean production, according to Womack and Jones, contains 5 core principles. First of all, specification of value from the customer's point of view, then analyzation of production processes, like the value stream, ensuring an effective process flow, pull production, and continuous improvement of all processes. This work aims at identifying synergies and conflicts in the two philosophies. These are the synergies we found. First of all, economical advantages. Savings by improved productivity can compensate for the increased number and greater complexity of sustainable components and technical systems. Competitive advantages. Companies analyze their production processes and optimize the use of resources, improve quality, and reduce costs. Waste disposal. Both philosophies regard the elimination and handling of waste as a great potential to achieve their goals. Improving quality. Sustainability demands top quality, and Lean also strives for perfection via continuous improvement. Focus on people. Involving and supporting employees lead to motivation, identification with work, implementation of own ideas, interest in constant improvement, and acquiring new skills. This investment in people also promotes social sustainability. Continuous improvement. The culture of systematic continuous improvement is focused on the elimination of waste in any form. Transparency is the ability of all actors in a system to discover the potential for value creation. Both lean and green building projects promote transparency through visualization and documentation. Long-term and holistic implementation. Isolated applications of lean methods as well as sustainability measures do not lead to success. Positive correlation between indicators. Lean and sustainability targets have their own indicators. In some cases, a direct positive correlation can be observed. On the other hand, we discovered some conflicts between the aims and methods of lean and green. First of all, focusing on different dimensions of sustainability. Lean aims at adding value at the lowest possible costs. Sustainability costs, on the other hand, are defined as value-adding investments in a better quality of components. Life cycle consideration. Lean focuses primarily on the production process. However, life cycle assessment takes into account all processes along the life cycle of buildings and its components. Value definition. The effect of lean depends on the customer, his sustainability aims, and his requirements in value. Just-in-time is crucial for lean goals. However, the demand-oriented orders, according to just-in-time, result in reduced batch sizes, causing more frequent transports and therefore higher energy consumption and emissions. Different definitions of waste. Lean defines waste as any action that consumes resources in some form but does not generate value. Sustainability, on the other hand, tries to avoid environmental waste. There are production processes in which time and cost can be reduced, but no significant improvements or even worsening of environmental waste can be generated. Lean's success in sustainability depends on the methods and tools used as well as the intended areas of environmental improvement. For example, the value stream model can identify environmental impacts of production processes, but does not bring environmental advantages in itself. The same applies to 5S. Requirements of Lean to employees. Lean tools are a structured framework for the development of people to improve their problem-solving ability. An overtaxing of the workers must be prevented. Stationary production versus on-site construction. Due to the fundamental differences between factory and on-site construction, there are different requirements for process organization. Losing the pursuit of growth. In direct contrast to environmental management, there is a growth-oriented management which cannot be sacrificed for ecological reasons, as it is the basis of our social system. Lack of performance indicators. Lean focuses on brilliant processes and non-performance indicators, as the hypothesis is that results are correct when the process is right. So, how can Lean be used to contribute to sustainability? First, the implementation of all company levels. The transformation into a Lean company requires a lot of commitment and everyone's participation in the introduction of new principles. Broadening the definition of waste, Lean theory, environmental and social waste is rarely taken into account. Sustainability, on the other hand, uses a narrow approach which leaves many opportunities unused since many intangible aspects are not regarded as waste. Prefabrication. Prefabrication can be a promising procurement method for sustainable construction. It can be optimized by the use of numerous Lean principles. Modularization. The advantages of modularizations are saving in construction costs, a sharp reduction in construction time, efficient production processes, less noise, and high flexibility through any extensibility. Innovative types of contracts and methods for project definition. Contract types and methods can promote innovation and sustainability by the elimination of contractual barriers and improved communication between stakeholders. Design methods. The design phase is crucial for a project's success, affecting the entire service life. The design of green building projects is particularly critical as raw materials, resources and construction technologies are relatively innovative and require comprehensive coordination for the best application. Using more efficient project tools. Lean offers a conceptual basis and the potential for new methods and tools for sustainable building. Last Planner System. The Last Planner System can contribute some essential core points of Lean management to construction. Building information modeling. BIM is an effective method to achieve leanness and sustainability. BIM acts as a catalyst to build up synergies between Lean principles and sustainability. Value stream mapping. This Lean method cannot be used only for economic, but also for social and environmental purposes by inserting downstream data into the map. Kaizen. Kaizen provides the basis for an overall process approach for sustainable project development and plays a key role in improving the current state of sustainable methods. Process for measuring sustainability and Lean. A model for quantifying the degree of Lean implementation in construction is the Lean Construction Quality Rating model. With the help of the Sustainable Construction Index, the sustainable performance of the work on construction sites can be monitored. Expansion of the magic triangle in project management. Traditional planning and construction focuses on the factors cost, time, and quality, as well as customer satisfaction. Sustainable planning and construction also pursues the following objectives: minimizing the scarcity of resources, minimizing the environmental impact, and creating a healthy building fabric. Politics. In order to promote the realization of sustainable stronger, is this okay? Let me skip to the last one. Can I just say that? Okay, Lean and sustainability are two separate mature initiatives in the construction sector with seemingly significant overlaps, and despite some conflicts, potential weaknesses of one can be balanced by the other. And lean management can increase the environmental performance of real estate. Implementing both philosophies in companies can be difficult due to human aspects and a disrespect of existing structures. And an early involvement of the most important project members is essential for the implementation of philosophies. Thank you.
All right.